Just started sneezing. Been for a shower, came down. And I started sneezing. Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry, my hair's a bit of a mess. Is it finished? No, it's not finished. Peekaboo. Oh, yeah. Well, we're in our second week of vacation now, and it's been really great weather. Gonna go for a very long walk soon with the dogs. Take them swimming. Yep, I think that's my sneeze finished. Love you all. Bye.